Usually, under the layout option, the normal setting is recommended. This shows us that in case of a property of 100 square meters, the viewpoint number can vary from 10 to 13. This is an estimated informative value. In reality, there can be more viewpoints. In case you change this value, for example to 1000 square meters, which is a much bigger area, the number of viewpoints also increases. Now it will vary from 100 to 103 viewpoints, and the cost is also raised. In case of such a large area, if you click on the layout option, you can also select partial photographing. If you choose this, a slider appears next to it, with the square meters on its right and the number of viewpoints on its left. If you use this slider, you can set the most appropriate number of viewpoints with regard to the cost and square meters too. So you can send your order this way as well. However, bear in mind that in case of partial photographing, when viewpoints are less or they are more concentrated in one specific place, floor plans cannot be created and we cannot connect the rooms and places with arrows. The same happens if we want to take photos of a lot. In this case, the area can be more 10,000 square meters. Now let's enter exactly 10,000 square meters. In case of 10,000 square meters, the system offers a number of viewpoints from 100 to 103. In such a case, under more or less viewpoints, you can choose the amount of photos you want. You can set the estimated number of viewpoints from which you want to show the lot. It works the same way in case of lands and halls. So, in case of lands, lots and halls, you can choose more or less viewpoints, while in case of flats and detached houses, you can choose partial photographing.